Hey everybody, my name is Marcos, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can easily add the welcome mail in Mailchimp, the final welcome mail, or how would I call it. So what you want to do is just click on audience, and when you're going to be in audience, you want to click here on view contacts. And when you're going to be in view contacts in your audience, WordPress newsletter I got here, you want to click on settings and then audience name and defaults. And right here we see, when I'm going to scroll down below, I see campaign defaults and send a final welcome mail. When people opt into your audience, send them an email welcoming them to your audience. The final welcome email can be edited in Audience Form Designer. Forms and response emails. And now I will just final welcome mail. And we see it here, design it. And you can simply design it as much as you want. Like this video is only about like how you can enable it. Design it would be like different video now. So yeah. Send the final welcome email. Okay. Then from, okay, reply to, subject, WordPress newsletter. You can also edit it. And this is how it's going to look like. So when I'm going to design, tutorial has been confirmed, and you can set it if you want to. Also, like you can add those graphic designs here and everything if you want to, but it's like up to you. But yeah, thank you very much everybody for watching. Have a great day and goodbye.